Looks like it's gonna rain again. It's been raining a lot here in zone 6A. 2 days ago it almost flooded. Fortunately my garden is safe, but yeah, this summer is just a little weird. So anyway, let's go see what we can harvest. All right, starting with giant Aconcagua. Really giant. Gypsy pepper. Banana peppers. Shishito peppers. Okay, these are red Marconi. It's supposed to be red, but this is like sun schooled, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this one. Some grape peppersini. All right, I'm gonna harvest lots of pole beans. I forgot to harvest some jalapenos. Oh, it's a big one. All right, I have to stop because it's already raining. So this is what I harvest today. Thanks for watching.